Happy birthday!
Okay, hold it good.
Happy birthday.
Oh, wait! Oh, God! Fundraising!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isaac. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you, Isaac?
Teacher.
Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless Isaac.
Teacher.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow. Strong. Move. 1, 2, 3.
Ready, one more time. Ready, set.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Blow. Hey! Are you spider boy? Spider boy? Ah. Now, you guys go sit. Get the money for round. Go get $5 up. Get the money for round. Now this time I'm gonna ask my brother, the family, to stand up and sing. After that, we make a round. Hey! Welcome. Alit, talalom. Una agad. Wala tirawanan. I'm gonna ask everybody, if you guys have $1 up to $10, let's make a round. Let's them sing first. Can't stand them, but clap. Make clap my from my side or win them. Right there, on the mid, nagat na phone na rada si round na lang.
Ako po, sukuha.
Ito ka, Yana. Aswana.
Pumunta natin ang yak na. Huwag pa na. Lakot na school. Kaya na.
Udatin, song na. Round 2.
Magandang umaga.
Lahat na yan.
Sinaya. Malay. Wala na kailan lang siya kantan mo. Pinayak manasin na mo. Wala na kailangan sa nasin mo. Makalinayon. Wala na kailan lang siya kantan mo. Pinayak manasin na mo. Kailangan sa natin mo Langanin taon Binyabaga kumiwaga Kawiya binyabaga kumarsibaga kumarsiri Manas kong kasya Asar kumakili Kay kumang masiyap lang Vinnevaga, Gomvivaga, Gomvia, Vinnevaga, Gomarshima, Gomartiru, Manas, Gomjashaya, Achar, Gomatile, Bye, Gomlam, Media, Plum, Media, Plum. Vinnevaga, Gomvivaga, Gomvia, Vinnevaga, Gomarshima, Gomartiru, Manas, Gomjashaya, Achar, Gomatile, Bye, Gomlam, Media, Plum, Media, Plum. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yalan.
Happy birthday to you. May the dealer bless you. May the dealer bless you. Ako na siyang pauna. Happy birthday to you. And the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless, I say. Happy birthday. Where's the
Wanna speak? Let's speak. You guys listen to birthday boy. It's gonna speak. Okay? Speak.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Say it.
This time I'm gonna speak. You're gonna speak.
Thank you.
Okay, why was that?
I went there.
5분 내.
Ivan man!
회장님 드셔. 왔다 이주. 어머니야 이주야. 회장님 드셔. 왔다 이주.
Thank you everyone!
Hey, Chup. Heading us on to Chup. Then back lang kasi na bawali din sa niya.
Like that, but louder.
Chup.
Cannot hear it.
Okay, tatay, banyo na na. Yeah, you're gonna see that. Okay, Chup.
Good. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you that come to our son's third birthday. It really means a lot to us. To all the CJ family. I just want to say thank you all for coming. There's a lot for me to say because we don't know if we're gonna be here next year. So that is the reason why we do this birthday. So I want to thank everybody that comes to our son's birthday. Thank you so much.
You wanna say closing? More! Closing more!
Okay. So I just want to say,
Louder!
so I just like to say, thank you everyone again for coming out today to join us on celebrating Isaac's birthday. And for everyone who brought something today for the table, thank you so much.
DJ! 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 DJ!
So if it wasn't for everyone who if it wasn't for all of you guys who brought something today, it wouldn't be possible today, right?
He's gonna say thank you in Kosai to you, the family.
Yeah, today wouldn't have been possible without all of you guys. It really does mean a lot for me and Isaac, and for me, you and Isaac, for all of you guys to help us out. Thank you everyone.
Selamat. Bangun program cultural Issac Thank you everybody. That is the birthday boy today. Issac.